flowers on the field were swinging slowly in the wind. Rain and Soil were busy collecting flowers.
Hey Soil, how many flowers did you collect?
I don't know. Maybe a lot of rain.
It is very hot.
But I think it is going to rain. Black clouds are coming.
Oh, look. It has started to rain. Everywhere is wet. It is lightning.
Something is happening to me. I feel weird rain.
Me too. I feel very strange, Soil.
Suddenly, the storm started. The girls' baskets and flowers flew into the air.
Oh my God! I'm a bird and I'm flying.
Yes, me too. Look, the earth is very beautiful.
Can you see rain? The river down there is falling beautifully.
Yes, the river looks so beautiful from here, Soil. The mountains are very beautiful and high. Let's climb up here. Fly, fly, it's springtime. Flowers started to blossom.
These two beautiful birds, Rain and Soil, were flying freely and happily. But suddenly, two shots of ripple were heard. Rain and Soil started to fall down violently.
Help! Help! Help us!
Ha ha ha! I have killed today's first bird at last! The birds were wounded badly. The hunter kneeled down to see the birds. Two little white innocent birds were breathing difficultly. They were whispering their last words to each other in pain.
I think I'm dying. I can't breathe. Goodbye, my friend. We won't see each other forever. Now everything has come to an end.
I can't breathe anymore, Soil. But no, don't die, my friend. Look, I'm here. Don't leave me.
The hunter heard the conversation of these two little white innocent birds, and he began to feel sorry for them. I shot these two sweet birds. I separated them. Why did I do this? What if I were in their shoes? The sky was like a cotton field. Above the clouds, a black bird appeared. It flied and flied. But wait, what is that? A shot of ripple heard again.
What is that? A blackbird is falling down.
Oh my goodness! I guess it is wanted. Let's help it!
Both Rain and Soil kneeled down. They were sad.
The blackbird has a wound on its wing. It looks bad.
I wish it hadn't been shot. Poor little bird. Now it is in pain. Let's paint it. Maybe it will get better. Fly, fly, it's springtime. Flowers started to blossom. Hooray! The bird is flying!
Rain and Soil threw all the flowers they picked into the air. The flowers went back to their old places. They were fresh now. You see these flowers on the field swinging slowly with the wind now, and the birds flying too.
Flowers started to blossom.